wrong boat.
Yeah.
This does not look like it's as big as our room. I like it, but it's. Was there a bigger boat that we could have got on?
I think there might have been a bigger boat.
We are on board the Surprise.
The Surprise.
How are we enjoying our trip so far?
I'm enjoying it great, but I still think we're on the wrong boat. We are waiting. Yep. Nothing much happening. We can see our house from here.
I'm trying to aim it right between your hats, and I'm having some trouble.
Sorry. I am now hatless.
Are you having a good time so far?
Yes.
This is James and Nora, and we're going to do a
Suite
smash tour of our suite on board the HMS Rotterdam.
Westerdam?
Rochester. This is the outdoors of our suite, which includes beautiful San Diego, although I have been told that that is not going to last. And here we have our beautiful chaise lounge.
Sit on it.
You can also see a beautiful jacuzzi behind us, and even more deck than you can shake a stick at.
We have this table with slats so you can lose pencils in it easily. We have a couple of chairs for your friends who don't deserve the couch. And this is the couch.
Let's go indoors.
Look at this suite. Isn't it sweet? That's my bed. I don't know where I'm sleeping.
With your very own look-noculars.
Oh, dude, look binoculars. Hang on, what can I see over here?
Yeah, that's for when we're whale watching in the sea of whatever it is.
They're available at the front office if you would like to purchase a pair. Ooh.
Of course.
And then we have a TV and a bonsai and fruit. Is this real fruit?
All the best suites come with real fruit.
We were given ukuleles. I don't trust this cruise boat anymore.
Yeah. I sort of tuned it, but it's not.
Don't. No, you are not playing this in my presence.
Ooh, that's terrible.
We also have this fine bathroom with a shower
Ooh, and another jacuzzi.
and a tub that is hot.
And here you can call the Pinnacle Grill.
Yes. Send me down a steak right now.
Yes.
And this is our closet.
They have slidey drawers.
Oh, did you see the tub guy? He spits water at you.
Ew.
This is amazing.
You don't want a creepy dude barfing on you while in the
Well,
bath.
there's doors. There's entrances to the north and south. What do you do? Yeah. That is
I don't want to go in there.
A kitchen.
This is a kitchen.
What?
There's a microwave and there's a fridge.
Water is precious. Please keep serving.
That's not all. There is another door.
There's another door. Okay. Another door. It's the guest bathroom.
So those filthy heathens don't have to use ours.
I'm so confused. I know.
Wait, I found my bed.
Oh, you found your bed?
I found my
Oh my
bed.
god, there's your bed. Yay, they just pulled it out.
So we're walking down the street in Cabo San Lucas.
Yes.
Are we having a good time?
Sure.
Sure. We're looking for a cold drink
Yep.
and a comfy hat.
Yep.
And the man who tried to sell me a hat offered me many deals as I walked away, but it was not a hat that I liked.
There was no way that was going to work.
So we're going to keep shopping.
Ooh, it's
Oh yeah, beside us is a building that's half built. It looks like they gave up in the middle and never continued.
Looks like there's an elevator in there that's gonna take us to the Twilight Zone.
It does look like the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, doesn't it?
If only that still existed. Ah, the French.
Are you having the fun?
Maybe. Yes. I'm not a particularly big fan of sand. It's coarse and irritating. It just gets everywhere.
Do you want to go do the flying thing?
I would fail at it and everyone could see me.
the street in Loreto.
That's what you do.
There's not much to see yet.
Nope.
Oh, I see a cool building I want to take a picture of though.
Do it.
How are you enjoying Loreto?
Not sure yet.
Have you seen all of it?
I might have.
Not really. I mean, there's a whole town where people live. Out that way.
How do you like riding on the boat?
My feet got wet. Water's coming in through here. It's great.
I'm glad I'm not sitting in the front seat.
I like it. I like it.
One of the astounding benefits of traveling on board a cruise ship is that every night you are visited by magical animals. Tonight's magical animal is...
A heffalump.
Oh, did you get out of it?
With paper googly eyes because they couldn't afford the real ones.
While we were on the deck, they brought us food.
Food. Canapes, fresh fruit, and truffles, and bark, and things.
I think those are seahorses.
Seahorses. White chocolate seahorses.
I need to find out what's in the wizard cone.
I think it is a wizard cone.
Is it just, I think it's pure chocolate. I can't break it in half.
It is a solid cone of chocolate. It is for you to gnaw on like a like a boss.
Alright then.
It's time for a tour of the ship!
Oh my god. This is the mom. You get one of these in every single stateroom.
That's right.
You can tell that you're near our suite because there are flowers in the hall.
I wonder if this elevator goes up. And out this window
The Raging Sea.
of other cruise boats.
Where are we going?
I see the meter deck.
Okay.
Do you mind?
This is what up feels like.
We're at the less good Windjammer.
Right. Windjammer light.
Vanilla in a bowl. Yes.
That's mayonnaise.
No, it isn't.
Who puts mayonnaise on vanilla ice cream?
I do. Every day.
You want some cracked pepper on that too?
Yep.
I think we might be on some sort of nautical vessel.
I think we might be on a boat.
What's that?
The sun.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm glad I have a polarizing lens.
I know, right?
That makes
Same.
it work.
It worked.
Well, every landing has a unique piece of art so that you know where you are,
That's
which
bench.
is apparently better than
Numbers.
putting numbers on the walls, which would be much more helpful. There are no numbers. Look at this beautiful shopping mall full of jewelry. I bet they sold a lot of jewelry on this cruise, wouldn't they?
Nope.
We found a mom.
Here I
It's not me either. She is.
Giving away extra stuff.
And now
In the
we're leaving
gift
her
shop.
behind. This one's an angry chicken.
That one's what?
An angry chicken.
Oh, I see it now. Above our heads are the lifeboats that will save our lives should the event of an emergency emerge.
When Cthulhu finally pops his head out of the water.
But if the boat should spring a leak and go down by the head, we have are these lifeboats?
Welcome to Photos Land. This is where you get your photos.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, that was a brief tour of the beautiful boat on our final day.
It's an okay boat.
It's a pretty good boat. I like boating. We've arrived back at the Murphy Suite. Let's see what's happening inside.
So,
Did we have a fun cruise, everyone?
yeah, I really liked Splash Mountain.
Uh-huh. And what about, was it too cold to go on the river rapids?
It was a little bit, sadly, but I mean, that's what you get for going in March.
So farewell from Sunset on the JoCo Cruise.
Bye.